How to fix Instagram white screen in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram white screen easily and fast. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps like this, go to Instagram. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is very simple. Just click on this force stop option, and after that go down to the data usage. Make sure to enable all those network access options, and then go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, and go back again. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and then I am sure that problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.